In the last lecture, we fetched some post data and we can render it to the screen by updating our state. But of course, we're fetching too many posts here. Now, for a real application, you probably can send some query parameter to your backend to restrict the amount of data you want to fetch, some pagination basically. But of course, we can also transform the data once we got it. So here I'll add a new constant posts. I'm now in the then block of component did mount. And I'll assign response data here. Now I'll call the slice method on that array and only get the elements 1 to 4 to only fetch the first 4 posts. Actually, I fetched them all, but I only store 4 of them in that post constant. I'll then create a second constant, updated posts even, because I also want to add an offer field to my posts. Now typically you would of course also get this from your backend, but our fake backend doesn't have that. So I'll simply add it here to also show you that of course you can edit the data you fetch from the server. We're just working with JavaScript here in the end, so we can add any JavaScript code we want. So here I will take my posts, call the map method on them, and for each post I want to return a new JavaScript object where I distribute the property of the post, so the properties we got from the server basically, and then also add a new offer property which I'll hard code to max. With that I got the updated posts now, and I'll set the posts to my state to them. Now the data we get back from the server was shortened and also transformed in that we added the offer field. And that of course is just one example transformation to showcase that you can of course work with the data you get back before setting it to the state. With that change in place, we now got that offer field. That also is a field I want to output in that post element. So there I expect to get offer prop. I can now set this prop in the block container. Here I can now also pass this offer should be post offer. That offer field we just added to each object we store in the state. If we save this, we now see the offer here and we see only 4 posts. This is how you can transform the data, how you can work with the data in component did mount in this example.